The extinction of the dinosaurs is one of the most dramatic events in Earth's history. It occurred about 66 million years ago, at the end of the Cretaceous period, and marks the boundary between the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs, and the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. Here's a detailed explanation of how it happened. The Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction event, about 66 million years ago. Approximately 75% of all species on Earth went extinct, including non-avian dinosaurs, many marine reptiles, flying reptiles, pterosaurs, and a wide variety of plant and animal life. Primary cause: asteroid impact. The Chicxulub impact. The leading theory, supported by overwhelming evidence, is that a massive asteroid, about 10 to 12 kilometers, 6 to 7 miles wide, struck the Earth near what is now Chicxulub, on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Evidence: 1. Iridium layer. A thin layer of sediment found all over the world from this time period is rich in iridium, a metal rare on Earth but common in asteroids. 2. Crater. The Chicxulub crater, over 150 kilometers wide and 20 kilometers deep, matches the timing and size expected. 3. Shocked quartz and tektites. These are high-pressure minerals and glassy particles formed during massive impacts, found worldwide in the same geological layer. First, immediate effects. Massive explosion, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. Tsunamis, hundreds of feet high. Global wildfires sparked by hot debris raining down. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Environmental fallout. Dust and soot blocked sunlight for months or years. This caused a nuclear winter effect, severe global cooling. Collapse of photosynthesis, killing many plants. Famine up the food chain, herbivores starved, then carnivores. Acid rain from vaporize. Secondary factor: volcanic activity. Deccan traps in India. Massive volcanic eruptions in what is now India, known as the Deccan traps, were already occurring before and during the impact. These eruptions lasted for hundreds of thousands of years and released CO2 and other greenhouse gases, climate warming, sulfur dioxide, acid rain and cooling, toxic gases that may have weakened ecosystems before the impact. Why did dinosaurs die out but mammals survive? Size. Large animals needed more food and were less adaptable to famine. Reproduction. Dinosaurs laid eggs and had longer reproductive cycles. Mammals gave birth to live young and reproduced faster. Habitat. Some mammals lived underground or were nocturnal, offering shelter from harsh post-impact conditions. Diet. Mammals had more diverse diets. Many could survive on seeds, insects, and detritus. Aftermath. A new era begins. With dinosaurs gone, mammals rapidly diversified and evolved into many new forms, including the ancestors of humans. This opened the door for the Cenozoic era, leading to the rise of primates, then hominins, then humans, the development of modern ecosystems. Hey, this video is for educational purpose only. It has nothing to do with reality. Please tell me, how will I help you for Learn English? If you want to learn English in just simple steps, please do subscribe this channel at Grandpa786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.